Good day, everyone. I am Ken Johnson B. Torino.
I'm Emerson B. Indrina.
I am Vietnam Lenar Pami.
I am Juni Julian Saa.
I am Mika Rosella Bullo.
So today, our discussion on the Philippine government's total electrification program and the use of microgrids in remote communities. Its access to electricity is crucial for development, and this program is a vital step towards achieving universal electrification. Microgrids offer a promising solution for remote areas where the traditional grid extension is not feasible. Today, we will explore the efficiency, the principles, and the challenges of this initiative. Let's begin with an overview of the program's objectives and the role of the microgrids in achieving these goals. The total electrification program aims to provide electricity to all households in the Philippines with a focus on underserved communities. Microgrids can play a key role in achieving the objective by providing reliable and sustainable energy solutions.
Microgrids are considered efficient for remote electrification in the Philippines due to their decentralized approach. By reducing reliance on extensive transmission lines, microgrids can minimize energy losses and provide a more reliable source of power. That renewable energy sources like solar and wind can be integrated into microgrids, reducing dependence on fossil fuels and enhancing energy security. Decentralized generation also enables communities to take ownership of self-sufficiency. Furthermore, microgrids can be designed to meet the specific needs of each community, taking into account factors like energy, demand, resource availability, and environment concerns.
The integration of renewable energy to microgrids requires careful consideration of electrical engineering principles. Power electronics play a crucial role in converting and controlling the voltage and frequency of renewable energy sources. Grid synchronization is also essential to ensure that renewable sources can be connected to the microgrid without causing instability. Constantly control systems are needed to manage the intermittent nature of solar and power, maintaining stable power supply. Additionally, microgrids design must take into account factors like power quality, reliability, and efficiency. By applying these principles, we can ensure that microgrids provide reliable and sustainable energy solution for remote communities.
Maintaining power quality, reliability, and hybrid microgrids is a significant challenge. The intermittent nature of renewable sources like solar and wind can cause voltage and frequently fluctuations affecting power quality. Advanced control system, energy storage solutions, and backup generators are necessary to ensure a stable power supply. Balancing the needs of renewable and conventional sources is crucial to maintaining consistency and reliability. Furthermore, microgrid operators must be trained to manage these complex systems, and ongoing maintenance and upgrade are necessary to ensure sustained success.
So in conclusion, the total electrification program represents a promising approach to providing electricity to underserved communities. Microgrids offer a decentralized and sustainable solution for remote areas, but sustained success requires careful planning, robust engineering, and ongoing investment. Further research into advanced energy storage and smart grid technologies is crucial to improving the efficiency and reliability of microgrids. By leveraging these technologies, we can create more resilient and sustainable energy systems that support the needs of remote communities. Ultimately, the success of this program will depend on the collaboration of government agencies, private sector, stakeholders, and local communities. By working together, we can ensure that the benefits of electricity are accessible to all.
So that's all.
Thank you. na. Tama,